Welcome to this C programming tutorial guys. This tutorial is actually an introduction of lab 3. The lab 3 is basically focused on floating point value, or you can say float data type. They basically represent number with fraction, or you can say decimal digits. I'm here writing few examples like 3.4, 5.4 and so on. We will learn how to take the user input if the data type is float. For example, we have covered this task. Let me show you. This task is basically based on how to take user input if the data type is float. And this right here is the part where we used to take input from user. And if I run this code, and as you can see in the terminal, it is asking us to enter a value. And here I am entering a float point value and it is printing the same in the terminal. We will also learn about format specifier for floating point data type. For example, here you can see in this code we have used float as data type and here we have used %f. This %f is basically format specifier for float point value. Then we will solve some examples and we'll do some practice tasks. As you can see, these are the tasks that we will be doing in our upcoming tutorials. And this right here is the equation which cannot be solved if we use the integer data type. So we have to use float data type in this case. And here are a few examples like BMI calculator. Here we have to specify the weight in kg and the height in meters, and it will tell us the BMI value for the individual. And also we will be doing another task in which we will convert temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. And as you can see in the terminal, we have to input the value of temperature in degree Celsius and the code will return the value in degree Fahrenheit. It will do the conversion and it will return the value in degree Fahrenheit. So these are the tasks that we will be doing in our upcoming tutorial for lab 3. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video.